Dear friends, welcome to another video from this channel. You can use this strategy on all symbols where there is high liquidity, and we set our time frame to 5 minutes. We are focusing on the Bitcoin BTC USDT symbol. Very well, I will introduce you to this indicator on TradingView, which is the best choice for calculating trends. Next, we open the Indicators tab and type Regression Indicator in the search bar. Look friends, we need the regression indicator, so we click on it to open it on our chart. Very well, first we will explain the different components of this indicator and how to use it for trading. And using the second indicator, we will cover an awesome strategy. Very well, this line that is placed on the price chart is our regression line, which behaves similarly to a moving average on the chart and interprets it for us when our candles are placed on this indicator and the color is in this moving state. Is blue, we are in an upward trend, and conversely, when we are in a downward trend, the color of this tool turns white, and our candles also turn white, and this average-like line also becomes white, indicating that we are in a downward trend. And we can use these whites and blue levels as support and resistance. However, we can never decide to trade based solely on these price lines, because we might encounter many false signals this way, especially when the market is in a trading range. At the bottom, we also have histograms that are positioned above and below our central line, or in other words, our zero line and zero line. When these lines are above the zero line or our zero line and are blue, we are in a bullish trend. And conversely, when these lines are below. If this line, Q or underline is below us, we are in a downward trend. Therefore, this underline or the central line can show us the trading signals of bull and V, because we can see major market changes. It can also warn us about the start of a new trend. Sometimes, we can receive a series of signals through these small circles. These can be good signals for us, but we will not decide to enter a trade based solely on them. So, if you want to use the multiple signals available and get more accurate signals and confirmations, we will add a second indicator to our chart. This indicator is excellent and helps us identify trends well. Additionally, in this tool, we have a signal line that we can observe in this section. This also provides us with signals that we can use. As we mentioned, we are going to add a second tool to our chart, which will help us in other conditions and is very effective for us when the market is not trending. Before that, please support us by liking and sharing the video with your friends. Very well, we open the Indicators tab and type Krotuga in the search bar. Look friends, we need the Krotuga cloud indicator, so we click on it to open it on our chart. As you can see, this indicator covers the price and is built based on Ichimoku and RSI indicators. It has very specific calculations, removes unnecessary noise, and aims to provide a more reliable picture of the market trend. We can use this tool to identify long-term trends. So we enter the settings of this tool We can use it for long-term or shorter term, and by changing these two items, we can make this happen. In this section of the tool, we change the number 14 to 34 and the lower number 2 to 1. After applying these changes, we make some very small adjustments to our chart. And there's nothing else. Now we need to change in this tool, and by default, this tool is set up. And finally, when we click on OK, so it depends on your symbol. You can change this and get different results whenever the price is seen above. This indicator, it shows the price movement. If you notice, when the cloud is completely green and the candles are positioned above, we are in an upward trend. Conversely, when we are in a downward trend, our cloud turns red and the candles form below it. When our candles are inside the cloud, we disregard these cases to ensure the execution of trades. Sometimes both indicators issue a signal for us which provides more confirmations and is more reliable for entering a trade. Also, when the price is below the cloud, the price is decreasing and we have a downward trend. In these situations, similarly, when our candles form inside the clouds, we completely disregard the signals that are issued. By combining these two tools and using the signals, we will experience a better trend in trading. When our candles are inside the cloud in green and red colors, form simultaneously like in these areas, we are in a ranging area, and preferably we completely disregard these signals